Hi, this is Lisa with a Ravelry tip. I spent about an hour loading all my magazines into Ravelry. Now I can use Ravelry search engine to locate any pattern within that just by setting the right parameters. So first I'm going to start with telling it I'm looking for knitting patterns. Now I'm going to go down to clothing. And I thought about doing sweaters, but then I decided to do something a little bit harder, and I went with skirts. The last parameter I set was in my library. That's going to confine the search to patterns I already own, whether they are PDFs or they are in magazines like this one. This is the chevron lace skirt. It is in my library. It's in Debbie Bliss, Spring Summer 2016, I believe. Cute skirt. And I'm going to be able to just go and lay hands on that magazine immediately. I'm so excited about that. Let's try again. I'm thinking this blue one, the name is Miss Terwilliger. That just tickles me. I remember Carol Burnett's show. This is in an issue of Piecework magazine from September 2012. Do you use Ravelry to keep track of your patterns that are not PDFs? I'm mind blown. Give it a try. See you next time.